In this video, I will show you how to install Zeppelin, a very powerful tool and notebook tool, just like Jupyter for Python. And this is for Apache Spark. If you go to the download page and click on download Jupyter, and for this, we will just going to use this version binary package with all interpreters, and basically this means that we can use the same notebook for Python and for SQL and etc. rather than just Spark. And if you click on the link, that will lead you to various HTTP mirrors, and probably more or less it's gonna be the same no matter which mirror you're gonna pick. So I look at this, there is a Columbia University, because I believe our virtual machine is in the state of New York at least. So I will pick this link, copy link address, and I go to my Apache, go to my virtual machine interface. I'm going to just save this. As you can see, it's pretty fast. Just take a few seconds to download. Now I want to unpack this file. I just go tar Z, because this file is compressed. X means extract. V means verbose. Essentially, I want to the command to display all the actions it will be taking. And F, I think that's it, and I go Zeppelin. Once it's downloaded, it will create a folder right here, Zeppelin, and the version and binary all. And because the folder name is a bit long, and I will just change this folder name to Zeppelin instead. And this is very similar to Apache Spark as well. So you need to go to the config folder, and there are essentially two files you will need to change. The first file is this Zeppelin environment template. I'm going to make a copy of this file, and in this file is first you just need to specify the Spark master and Java home. So to do this, I will just simply look at my bash rc file, and I do have the Java home variable set. Okay, and you also need to set the variable Spark home, and that's it for this file. We are also going to need to set up Zeppelin configuration, because Zeppelin is web-based. So we have this Zeppelin site.xml, and this essentially configures the various options about the server. And for this, because this conflicts with Spark's port number, remember Spark also use 8080 as the web address, so we're gonna change this to a different number. I would just say 99, and you have to remember this number. And that's should be it. And now we need to start Zeppelin. And you want to run this Zeppelin daemon and type start. It says okay, and because this is my first time running Zeppelin, it just created 2 more folders for me to store the logs and store the PIDs and etc. So this should be it. And in order to access this Zeppelin, and you need to go to your engine, configure your network as well. Go to network and firewall rules. Zeppelin, and just like before, TCP, I think is 8099. And this is my Spark cluster, and which I initiated 6 workers. Each worker will have 2 cores. Okay, now Zeppelin is working.